All right, so today I'm going to be cleaning our ceiling fans. And I saw a thing a couple years ago, I think it was like on Pinterest or Facebook or something, a very easy way, simple way to clean your ceiling fans. So all you'll need is cleaning stuff of your choice, whatever you would want to use to clean a old pillowcase, and we're just going to soak this in some hot water and the cleaning solution of your choice, and then you're just going to wring it out, and then we'll get started and see what happens next. Okay, so I almost did the entire ceiling fan, and I didn't push record. So you take your wet, wringed out pillowcase, put it over top your fan blade, and you're just gonna grab it, and just make sure you're holding the sides right here too, and your fingers are on top, and just slide it off, and then just wipe it a little bit to make sure you got everything right there, and it's done. I already did the other ones, but I wasn't recording. I'm just gonna go rinse this out, and then I want to go work on